Well, I'm really excited to talk to a familiar face. We're talking all about Premier Surgical Associates. Joining me now, Dr. David Schutter, a general surgeon who's going to tell you all about the new and innovative surgeries that they are tasking right now. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Of course. Well, first and foremost, as the cost of healthcare really does rise, many people who don't have insurance or have a high deductible are having a hard time putting those elective surgeries on hold. I want to talk to you a little bit about how Premier Surgery Center can help with that.
Yeah, so there's kind of a gap there in the coverage for a lot of patients, whether it's they choose not to have insurance, they don't have insurance, they're self-pay, or maybe as a high deductible, what you were saying. So we're doing kind of a package pricing system. So we have at our surgery center, if you need an outpatient surgery, you can call ahead of time after having a consultation with one of our surgeons and get a complete price breakdown for the surgery center. So you have all that information before any surgery happens. So that way you have all the information that you need before actually going forward with it. So there's no sticker shock or surprise prices after the surgery, or these bills that were kind of unexpected following the surgery.
Right. And it kind of just sounds very helpful and cost effective for people to have that information beforehand. No gotcha bills, especially when it comes to you guys. And that goes along with gallbladder removals, hernia repairs, a lot of emergent cases. So let's talk also about if someone does have health insurance, surgery at Premier Surgical, an option for them.
Absolutely, yeah. So we accept almost every insurance in the state of Tennessee and surrounding states at this point. And typically, the surgery itself, if it's done at the surgery center, across the board, across the United States, a surgery center versus a hospital setting, they're about 45 to 60% less expensive to be done there. So we do accept all those health insurances. We also have the package pricing system for those that maybe are self-pay or have a high deductible, that sort of thing.
Yeah, it's definitely less expensive, especially when going to a hospital with all those bills that come along with it. So it's very helpful that you guys really stick to what is important. Now, of course, we are wanting to talk about the procedures that you guys do cover. So what are some of those surgeries that people can have?
Sure. So we try to be as broad and accessible for all types of surgeries we can. So basically, if it doesn't require an overnight stay and the patient would qualify for an outpatient surgery, then we'll do it at the surgery center. So that can be the common things that I do would be, hernias of all types, abdominal wall, inguinal, and then the gallbladder surgery is probably the most common thing that I do there. But then it can be anything from skin lesions, lump bumps. But in addition to that, our vascular surgeons and our plastic surgeons and bariatric surgeons, they are now performing more operations in the surgery center. So we're really trying to give a wide breadth of surgical options here.
They say you learn something new every day. I really had no idea that a gallbladder removal, hernia repairs, and even some plastic surgery procedures could be considered outpatient. So very, very helpful for a lot of people that are going through something like that and need that help. I also want to talk about having surgery at the Premier Surgery Center. This, although it is it's cost effective, of course. What are some other benefits to being able to have your procedure done there?
Yeah, and this has been really rewarding to hear about just from our patients that have been kind of going through and what they say. So common things are, you park right outside, you walk right in, and you're there. There's no going through the ER or going through some sort of admission process. The staff is all handpicked by our team. So you get the same pre-op nursing staff, post-op nursing staff, everybody. It just feels like a really small, tight-knit community. So the patients, they say, I can't tell you how many times already that patients have come up and said, like, you make sure you compliment the girls and the guys that work down there. They were so nice, they were so good. They love kind of like having that kind of tight-knit group feel, where it's just you're in there and out of this giant, scary hospital setting. So it's quicker, it's kind of friendlier, it's accessible, and then ultimately it's less expensive. And it's still the same surgeons, it's our staff that we pick. So all in all, it really is a great option that our patients have really, really liked.
You make me want to have surgery right now from how comforting that sounds. I don't know what kind of surgery, but it just, hospitals, like you said, can be very scary. It's the unknown world. It's the fear of the unknown. And, you guys really sound like a close-knit family. To see the same familiar faces all throughout the surgery process, it's really helpful for a lot of people to ease those nerves and anxieties. So, Dr. Scudder, where can people go for more information, just for a full list of everything you all offer?
You bet. So you can go to premiersurgical.com, just our typical website, or we do have premiersurgicalsurgerycenter.com as well. So either way, but yeah, if it's difficult to find, just go to our website. We'll direct you that way, or give us a call and we'll give you all the information that you want.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Dr. Scudder. Remember, all this information will be found on our website. Head over there right now, livingeasttennessee.com.